Hey, do you get a headache just thinking about video editing? Or are you at a loss because the recorded video footage is too dull? Don't worry, let Focusee screen recording help you out. It's the best screen recording software so far, enabling people without editing skills to create amazing videos. Meanwhile, it can automatically follow the mouse cursor and create cool zoom-in effects and nice backgrounds, saving you from complicated manual operations. Whether it's for tutorials, promotional videos, or demos, Focusee can make video production a breeze and help you achieve excellent results. In this video, we'll take Focusee screen recording a video as an example to guide you through it step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Before starting the Focusee screen recording. Before starting the formal screen recording, the preparatory work is quite crucial. Choosing a user-friendly recording tool can save you a lot of time and energy, and Focusee performs extremely well in this regard. Without further ado, let's go to the official website, download the latest version of Focusee, and run it. Then, you'll see in the popped-up window that Focusee thoughtfully provides us with 3 recording modes: full screen, custom, and window. Here, let's first choose custom as an example. Additionally, don't forget to adjust your device setup, including microphone, camera, and audio. Note that when you turn on the camera, it will be displayed in the bottom left corner of the screen by default. However, you can freely drag it to any position on the screen according to your needs and preferences. Step 2. During the Focusee screen recording. After completing all the preparatory work, you can click this button to start the recording. After a 3-second countdown, the recording will officially begin. Of course, to improve the operation efficiency, Focusee also sets up convenient shortcut key functions. Through the corresponding shortcut keys, you can quickly start, pause, or end the recording. During the recording process, if you are not satisfied with the recorded content, you can directly terminate this recording by using the delete button on the interface, and this recording will not be saved, or you can click the re-record button to start a new round of recording, and the previous recorded video will be automatically discarded. In addition, there is a very distinctive and worthy of notice feature point. That is, during the recording period, each mouse click operation by the user will automatically generate a zoom-in effect. The generation of this effect greatly facilitates later video editing work and effectively saves time and energy. Although you can't preview this zoom-in effect immediately during the recording process, you can clearly see its presentation effect when you review the video after the recording is completed. Step 3. After the Focusee screen recording. After recording the content we want, click this to end the recording, and it will automatically jump to the recording editing interface. Here, a rich set of built-in video editing tools is provided to help you create high-level videos. First, for the video beautification part, multiple size options are provided for you to choose from, which is convenient for sharing on various social media platforms. You can even customize the video size. Further down, you can adjust the video size, including padding, inset, roundness, and shadow, enriching the video effects. Additionally, if you don't like the background of the video, Focusee also supports a one-click replacement of the background. Secondly, for the cursor settings, you can change the size and style of the cursor, click effects, and even sound effects here. Then, for the motion blur settings, whether it's zooming in motion blur, screen motion blur, or cursor motion blur, this effect can be applied to give the video a stronger visual impact and a sense of immersion. Next, Focusee covers many aspects of camera settings. Regarding layout, there are up to 6 positioning and arrangement methods according to the video size, and supporting flipping. Then, custom layout can be done by dragging to adjust the size of the screen and the camera. Meanwhile, the size, rounded corners, and mirroring of the camera can be adjusted individually. When scaling the picture, the camera image shrinks automatically. Additionally, a selection of filters and borders awaits to enhance the visual appeal. Finally, for the captions and watermarks settings, with the microphone and audio turned on, Focusee can record internal and external audio and support automatically generating captions. If you are not satisfied, you can also manually adjust them here. Meanwhile, Focusee also supports adding custom watermarks to protect your video from being pirated. Even more surprisingly, as mentioned earlier, the video will generate a zoom-in effect for mouse clicks. But if you don't need it, you can delete it on the track after the recording is completed, or adjust it. Of course, basic editing operations on the track can also be carried out. After completing the above operations, we can export the produced video. You can export the video with high quality such as 4K 60 FPS, or even choose to export it as a GIF. Above is all the content of the video. Thanks for watching. It is said that those who like it after watching this video will be luckier in 2024. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.